Sam George akasa. Na LGBTQ plus Sunday me yan wadwuma. Na ye biem kakra. Na amanfo the pressure to Sam George so me kura me ka ho bi. Ade ato NDC aban so a say in opposition and somehow wo ka kire ye say wo no they want to relate LGBTQ eye Ghana chiwade ye nso so ni we no na ene okwanya na base ye koto aba na yetimi decide on that ye ko ya Ghana ntimi anto aba ne bi na eno be read letter ne kire wa hanu say what the foreign affairs minister say Oma atwom ho amfrim na den Sam George abekasa Ghana fo bebere bo na chi because hey Sam George in opposition and enim no it's not the Sam George that we are seeing in power as a LGBTQ plus owns and some no Sam George what time wants some ka ja to one ma onyan watuma na say onfa onka ho asema na onya bibia na no na Sam George akasa and I say I cannot understand the decision to abstain. Sam George react to LGBTQ right. Or say until say Ghana ye decided say ye who free as here. Now on there still now he believes in the Family Values Act, you know, and I said the rightful moral act I was a Ghana for you go through no. And not the debia or Jirana so now on Ghana no to he's still on the government and says they say Obani Bema was muda gay and lesbianism no omunyin to mo Ghana and also so wadi hun komo honma Sam George akasa ede afan na owie ya pe and as usual they say or no and be the advocate for the bill of the gay and LGBTQ plus anti-bill no or parliament for the minority side no in team for Joe MP for Assay South Reverend and on also kasa say say ye koto aba did NDC for ye any opposition against another than Kwakufuado ni say anything about gay and lesbianism there wo mo be sori atia na o matimi ayi ade free ono no ye in team for Joe so aba be gina ma kasa o de ha de to all kasa no chirem and wo kire say President Mahama and Ablakwa fails to represent Ghana's position on LGBTQ plus at UN. They have signal support for the promotion for LGBTQ plus rights. Or say you decided say you gay and lesbianism nintum na say no Ghana for timye yomu free na oma nkwa decided ya then say asema the NDC government catcher in opposition time I no more pay to me at Yabano. You know that Danny would rather some contompon themselves. When we do back again, or moon to Ombasai Bell. Now, Oma show say now they support the gay because either they support or not. Oma Chiro Majiri Womu, it's they support the gay and lesbianism. I was a Trumuntu. Obane ba omo dane be mane be mo nani ni purpose oni aboada ani ni purpose oni dua ana se ni pa o akono ma de bia ne nyintum se de abrofo ne pe no sa de no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and is okuja tabra kwani the NDC government no oma kire say they support and want to promote the LGBTQ plus rights. Yes, so if the NDC doesn't support it ana omunyintuma now they can come and give us a livestock and catch say ultima major publicly say I will support and I mean to now there have been nothing to show. Now you say action talks more than words. Let your action speak more than your words. It's like what the NDC was telling us in opposition. It's not what they are doing. Their actions now is not reflecting what they were telling us in opposition. So their actions should reflect on what they were telling us in opposition. Say Omoba, they are not going to support. And now, if they can't tell Ghanaians, they support the LGBTQ right, or they won't sign the bill because Ghana for best alive. The NDC knows. So anytime you remember Ghana for say gay and lesbianism bill, no anti-gay bill, no sign and I am kono. Ghanaians will skin them alive. It's now they want to play tactics around it. It is at the NPPA, you know, because now all the donors are almost supporting. All the donors are almost this boy as a country foreign investors are they are all people they are also financing the gay and lesbianism no woman LGBTQ plus family no they are the people financing them and they have the the monies and other things they can sponsor you. It is a now they are the people that will invest in your country. It is that gay community now, they are the billionaires, the world billionaires. It is if you try to go against them, now there are things that they are going to face. They won't even promote a lot of things into your country. That is why the NPP at that time couldn't assent to it. Now don't forget that we are still under IMF program, and don't forget that the IMF and those that World Bank they were the people that were advocating for the gay and lesbianism. Say nya omo pema wo mu na omo so timinya de omo pe de obi apere onye Kamala Harris na no ye US vice president by Ghana Habebusa said that beg at the gay and lesbianism not to me tells you the influentials are in support of it. So tactically now the government is thinking of business for how to get funds to support its government. And the government also thinking, I can publicly make it clear to my people, I am in support of. So either I'll make silence of it and make it go. Na akosa said yet here. Intimi me manon kan wasem. But me jano sana and in the moi. Oh, they can was ye can ya be respond kakra. Oh, yeah, young wajuma, yen 2 minutes. And that is the tactics the MPP play. And that same tactics is what the NDC is also playing. That is the same tactics. If the NDC means of signing to the anti-gay bill, and omoba parliament, omoba abemu for 6 to 7 months, the president told us that it is going to be a government sponsorship bill. And a private member motion beam, a government sponsorship bill, they will recall it as it stands now. When is it going to be called? Because the bill that one we need to relook. There are amendments to change and send it to me a pass bill. So when is it going to be called? Now, this is the tactics. This is the tactics that the NDC is playing. The NDC is doing this to the latter part of the administration. Not Omar left the bill, no, because they won't sign to it. The NDC is not ready to sign to the bill. They will play tactics like this. Oh, we'll call on it, we'll call on. Now, when the next parliament is about to go now, the anti-gay bill number. Now, because we want to sign the gay bill no near the parliament in give us another mandate to rule. Now you sign your through because bill gay and lesbianism na wo honom no bill na anti-gay bill na wo honom no emunia maybe wana wo se yi firimu eti afa ni atena se aye nwadwuma wi a ye pese yi firimu, and they will use it as another tool as it stands now. If the president or the NDC government have even thought of signing and after recalling the bill, it's a lie. They should come out and tell us. Said the American I am daring the NDC government. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The Foreign Affairs Minister. Sam George, he is a member of parliament. They are bringing a government sponsorship bill to the LGBTQ plus parliament. They should tell us. And it's a game. That is how politics work. They are not ready on that year. After they came to administration, Nipa almost side and the ball NPP in opposition. Here journalists what Ghana had to say. Bit to say Kevin Taylor, Obi to say Captain Smart, Obi to say TVSYZ, Mogabi Massimo. Etna say yes, I did we at the campaign. It was a campaign strategy. Now they are in administration. This issue is there. Have you heard them talking about it? What is that? Captain Smart on your TV. Can say the NDC should present the bill now. A cassette again. What is that? Boss Umpoda. Time South African boys too. Neba Ghana. The Independence Act coffee. What is Omokan Wasem? What is they are playing on your conscience. Makato, some of them are for political parties. And some of them work for politics, and they have told you categorically that they are working for political parties. And don't say, they would rather take the positive side of it, not to speak at the negative side against their government. What was Kevin Taylor and NPP time? 10 years. And as some boys too, that as some boys too, the Amamia, Fato Somame. Woman by Ghana. Ever feel woman who your Independence Act portray gay and lesbianism. I can say NPP administration in at that time one. And Kadia Kevin Taylor, Captain Smart, Mugabe Mase, the NDC pro stations, people that were advocating for NDC. Akwaya also a freedom fighter. What is what can was Let's. You see, this is how we should build the country. Eti dia enye wo obi pensono. Eni kwa so se obi dia ba ye kata so. Now it is like I said the NDC time now. NDC the gay and lesbianism share ye bo. Now omo kan wan sem no. Omo do administration. Omo take over the administration no. As a gay and lesbianism no. The thing of a past, but it is going on. It is going on. Eti when are they going to bring out the bill? When is the government going to sponsor the bill? I've told you the NDC is not ready. I am telling you. The NDC is not ready. And they have told all their media guys not to talk about it because some of them have been putting on payrolls that they are being paid. Some of them have been put on the payrolls that they are being paid. And if you're one more year in the NDC administration era, now omo kasa gigi bo bian samo ene omo keka hono same huntomo no. Now look at them, they are all quiet. They are not talking about it again. But ayadia etia and ukoye secondary schools, but it is happening in our communities. It is happening. Eti adia uketia unia enra. Now you've come into power. You have all the executive power to do it. If the president means to assign to the bill, by now the president should have called for it. On says the parliamentary deal. On the parliamentary deal. What is that? What is that? The NDC MPs in parliament. Have you heard them talking about gay and lesbianism? What is Omo can want them? It is a political strategy. One decide and Omo said Ghanaians don't like that. It's Omo yes na to the point say they were able to succeed in capitalizing on that. So the NDC wants to tell us say if they are ready to assent to the bill, they should come out. Omo start it na omo push bill no na yentimi hunu ne nyina no yen support it, and this is what we don't want because Ghana your religious system, your traditional system, your culture doesn't permit us. Now, with all due respect, I say, but we are not going to stop today, we are not going to stop tomorrow. Some of the year campaign, am I here to Abamamo and my idea? Am I yet to abaditia and your friend is a NPP? Pa idea ma Ghana for Gina so to aba. This is it, Medasi Director. LGBTQ plus at an independent square, and that's from Natchem Yenui. Yetiano could have told Black Quebec say, what so much young coherence Amnantiem and Yenu and Chumo. What was him? Have they been arrested? What was him? Me say, I bind the way NPP play tactics around the LGBTQ plus, the same thing that the NDC is going to play tactics because they know. Womunim no krene say, sa adie na ewo ho no LGBTQ plus no. So mo do mo sa ko shase a, omo be tiri wo mo. They know the truth. So they won't do it. Omunim no credit, omo nye, but I'm asking the NDC. Yewra Samuel Okudje to abrakwa emrantie wekes that afato so mame akosi say o ka say oh let's obey me achiwo mu akosi say they came to our country that you in opposition mujina eka LGBTQ plus one sem say enya the papa yensu so, but they came to our country, start at the Independence Act and kiss themselves. On the few one or Ghana hand say, and what Semakosi say, and I've told you, the NDC is playing tactics. A back and forth. They will give you press release, statements, just to, let you understand, say, they are not in support of it, just to put impression. Yeah, I saw for the Mujina, Ghana, Haka, gay and lesbianism was a Kofi Oduro away. Prophet Kofi Oduro away. Ojina, TV su diatem. Prophet Kofi Oduro, Jina TV su diatem. Say the NPP is wicked. I am not speaking for MPP, but I'm trying to put the NDC on their toes. Ahanu say makacho asem say the tiesa na yebeka no abana wo de ball tachi enra no ene ye de boba. It is a NPP time na mo the pressure to omo so ye nyina ye ka bi say na na dan kwa kufuado oni abada onyiri Ghana for ye kan amafo kaya ka say na na dan kwa kufuado kra ye gay. So I want to ask this question. It is John Dramani Mahama okuje twabra kwa Sam George mu ye gay for ana. I just want to ask this question. Who you gay for? Huh? Who you gay for now? It's a who you gay for there. When is this bill going to be passed? Tiasema yera Moses afo amweni kai. Tiasema yera Moses afo amweni kai. Tie. Okasem bichi. I say Ghana should have, Ghana should have vote against the renewal of the LGBTQ plus mandate. Ghanaians vote against a Akufo-Addo government because they choose to abstain from the LGBT plus vote. Adia Ghana for NDC in opposition. Edikasetia NPP in power. And no be no more repeating. It's Makacho, they are not ready. They are playing tactics. And the omo kind in opposition. NPP Ghana for the two abadi tia NPP. The NDC capitalize on it. Omo jina so. Kasa ena Akufo-Addo dunia badaye NPP for ompese ye gay. Yam pene maya nyintum. Sam George stood on their last rally. Eka nwasem. We are also going on you. Adiana enye enrano enye ne. Say the two enna Ghana for jina so the two abetia the NPP there. Then the NDC bosha mo share yesamo ba. This thing is mubasha jisa gay and lesbianism no bill no anti-gay bill na tumuno and now LGBTQ plus bill no and adia tumuno mama ye hunu or we should know your stance. Mama fire dream media agro me pray tactics. Adia me tiny say bema kwa benani jina and kwasia bi this guy kwasia bi wadane ne ho by bema oba bema yes your friend educator and what Ghana no Jimmy. With all due respect, yes your friend kwa bi educator. As a educator, educator, then they and what done Bema what done in one ban wo Jimmy. And what them your social media space and a lot of our youth are falling on it.